Right guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to part 2 Honda project. Basically we do have a lot of work and not enough time, so we're gonna start right away. First thing we'll do is changing the wheels. After that, basically in this video we will vinyl wrap the whole car, but before that we have a lot of work to do. So we're gonna clean up the car, take it to Eugene Auto. He actually is gonna donate his service to fix all the dents on this car because there's a lot of dents. And after that, when we put the vinyl, this car is gonna look like a brand new car. Alright, check out the tires and the one that we got and the wheel compared to the tires that was there. Look at this wheel. It's actually even bent. Crazy. So I just came from work. I pulled the car outside because we need to take everything from here, lock it in the trailer. I'm talking about the quads. Maybe even the side-by-side if it's gonna fit. The reason we do that because we're gonna have to take the car apart to vinyl wrap and we need more room. Got a lot more room right now. Oh! Right, so we just finished cleaning the shop. We actually cleaned the car too, and the wheels are super clean. We did order the vinyl, we ordered the catalytic, everything is coming, I believe, tomorrow or after tomorrow. But in the meantime, we want to take this car to, and actually we're going to drive, we're not going to use a trailer because he's not that far. We're going to take this car to Eugene Auto. You guys saw him in my videos. He does all the body work for us and all the paint job. He said that he will fix this for free, and we're really happy for that because he is helping with this project. God bless him and his business. So we're going to take this car to his shop, drop it, and pick it up tomorrow. Right, so next day we came to pick up the car from Eugene Auto. If you guys are around Sacramento or in Sacramento and you need a body work or paint job, I'm telling you, that's the guy. Stop by. He's good, fast, and fair price. Right, so I saw the car had a lot of dents, but you don't realize how many dents this car has until a professional is gonna show you. After he showed me all the dents, man, and after they show you, every time you look at the car you see those dents. So let me show you how much was fixed. We're gonna ignore the fender because that would be changed. Over here This one was bent right there from the fender because there is no gap, and then when you open the door you bend. It was a big dent over here, and this was pushed. So there you go, the front door. There's a pretty decent dent over here. The bumpers, we got other ones. There is some dents over here, sharp ones over here. And then if you guys remember, this is where it was ripped. So on the quarter panel and this door, let me close this for a second. And this one was like ripped from here somewhere all the way here. Now no more, and some dents over here. So look what I got, finally came in. Usually when I order vinyl it takes 3 to 4 days to get it. This time I ordered last Friday and today it's Monday. It's a week and couple days. Of course when you need it right away they take their time, but there it is. I'm gonna throw it right now and to the truck, go to the shop and start vinyling. Just got to the shop, there is the vinyl over there. The car is ready. We pulled the bumper, the fender out. So we can start little by little, panel by panel, and get this thing looking brand new. We will still have to clay bar the whole car. That's the spray I use for the clay bar. I got alcohol, I got towels. First piece done. Let me show you guys. You'll never tell this car is vinyl, even the corner, nowhere. And the good thing is this color, it's same as the original color. You can't really tell the difference. Quarter panel, it's painted, and trunk is vinyl. Even if you look inside, we did fold this somewhere over here. It blends in so nice that you can't really tell. So there you have it, a brand new trunk. No dents, no scratching, all nice and shiny. Well, we got a lot more to go. Yeah, my brother is gonna buff this headlights. Alright, quarter panel is ready. It comes all the way here. Looks very nice. I can't really show you where it stops because it's same color, but some of it, I feel it over here. Alright guys, we had enough for today. Basically trunk done, quarter panel done, all four doors, mirrors, handles, fenders, hood. All this got done today after work. Alright guys, day 2 on the vinyl. We are back. I'm gonna go over everything that we did, and I will start with under the hood. We did pretty much the whole service by changing the oil filter, air filter that goes in that box. We did change this part because it was cracked. We changed this little hose because it was ripped. And we did a pretty good cleanup. This is nice and clean. From outside, obviously we vinyl wrapped the whole car, but to do that we had to change the front bumper. All the original parts are right there: rear bumper, front bumper, the driver fender. That thing was aftermarket, was really cheap and bent and dent and everything. So we did change the fender, buffed the headlights, and we had to fix a lot of dents on this car. This one over here was the biggest one, was kind of ripped. This was pushed that way, everything got fixed. We did change the wheels and tires. Now I scheduled an appointment to go do the alignment because this wheel is leaning that way. And I did schedule another appointment to a shop to weld the catalytic. So after that, this car is good to go. It's looking nice and clean. No scratches, no dents. Basically looks like a new car. Guys, that's a wrap for today's video. As you saw, we did vinyl wrap the whole car. We still have a little more work to do on it, but stay tuned for part 3 because this is when we will complete the whole car and return it. So to see her reaction, come back for part 3. Other than that, thank you all for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel. Find us on Instagram. It's a custom auto builds, and I'll catch you guys later.